I'm going to show you briefly exactly how you, we have a few different ways how we can acquire leads for buyers and sellers. One of the best ways that I'm going to show you recording this video, I'm not going to show you the whole thing, it's really primarily so I can give you 90% of the information. However, 10% I do really want individuals to come and, joint venture with us and work with us and actually get things going through the process so we can set up our worldwide real estate takeover, nationwide, worldwide, international, like we're already doing. So if you want to be a part of an international team, listen to the videos, think about it, join for a time being right now. You can get in for a small amount on the back end, not even up front, but eventually the doors will be closing. We're only accepting 12 people, 12 individuals to take this journey along with us for the next 12 months. And if we just decide to open up any more doors, it will be at least $5,000. So I'm letting you know right now you have opportunity to get in, and we've basically financed the $5,000 for you until you're able to recoup those funds yourself through deals that will be sending you leads, and also deals will be guiding you through the process of. So let me go to any state clerk of courts website. Sometimes it's slightly different. Basically, all we did is let's go back. We'll go back to that one because I'm not fully complete. Okay. You basically go just to the property appraiser. Every state website has a property search. Some of them they let you do advanced searches. Some of them they don't. I'm gonna make some videos with me being in Atlanta, some of them being in Memphis, some of them being in San Francisco. But right now I'm showing you a location in Florida. If you see the location pop up, then so be it. But if the location don't pop up, then so be it. Okay. Alright. Anyway, so we got a basic search. Now you see all of these companies here. They're real deal companies. And all I'm doing is finding all, and if you're a VA and you're looking at this, it's definitely for training it for you as well, along with our joint venture partners. So we basically came to the property search. You can go to Google, you type in. There's some other shortcut ways. I have one website that have all the counties together. But like I say, until you join the program, I'm just showing you this way. So you can go in here and you can type in property search. And as you can see, property search will let it load up. I hate when it does that. Anyway, property search, a lot of different property searches that come up. Some of them are just for land, but it's a property search. This is in Dade County. That's in Dade County. You scroll down some more. Well, the first thing showed up was Dade County. So, and here's another one like in Jacksonville. You just have to play around with it, but you can get definitely to a list of individuals just like this that all buy property. And once you get that list, just like this, go down to where I was already at. So I'm going to lose my swag. And actually with this particular property right here, I can just click on it. Because it's not even a regular property, a regular corporation. So normally if it was a regular corporation, I would come over here. Page is going to basically put it like, well, not even like this, but I'm going to hit the search records, then I'm going to hit name, or even officer. In this case, I'll go back, I might even hit officer, You'll be surprised. It'll show you exactly what corporation that she might be working for. So it might show you a little bit of this right here, and this is some great information to even know as well too, because it looks like she might be some type of optical doctor or something like that. Especially if it's okay. So this is in Montreal. Probably not the same person then. But anyway, just for shits and giggles, I want to scroll through and see if the address, and what I'm looking for is if the address, let me go here, if the addresses here match the addresses on, click on the link here. So this person is in California. If we would have found someone in California, so technically we wouldn't even went here. We probably would have went to California. Let me see if I have enough time to put it on. 1 second. That might be a little bit too much. I will have to actually go to this county's website and everything, and I only have a few minutes on here. So anyway, that's how you pull it up. That's the main thing. So step 1, boom, we go into the property search website. Okay. Step 2, when we go to property search website, we're going to advanced. This is advanced. You click on advanced. I don't want to click on it because it's going to mess up what I'm already doing. It's going to give you options. Those options are going to be for you to place what zip codes you want to look up in, the amount of the value of the property, or even just the amount that it's sold for. You can do a range. I did for this list right here, I did $35,000 to $85,000 because I wanted anyone that maybe had $35,000 or better. And maybe not even for the properties that I'm selling in my inventory now, because I do have more high-end, well, I'm not going to say high-end, but properties closer to the 100,000. But I just, maybe properties in the future. I do have a few of the properties that's closer to 50,000. Okay, so I put up the name and pull up the list and go to the Secretary of the State, which could easily be go to the Secretary of the State. So it can easily be an LLC, like this last guy. This example right here of a person is an incorporation. Go back, then somebody, I'm pretty sure, is going to be an LLC. So it's different ways how you can search. LLC and incorporation for Florida Department of State or Florida Secretary of State is in the same search. So you want to just look for that. For my VAs that's working with me specifically for Florida, it will be in the same search. We more than likely won't be dealing with DBAs that will be in a separate search. Which actually, I can go back and I can show you. Let's see, it shows you corporations, LLCs, all those will be. You click here, name, and then you just search. Fictitious names, that's something else, so you won't have to worry about that. So that's the first step. So if I tell you as a VA, please go to the property records. You can just look up property search for whatever city or whatever county I tell you to do it at. Once you find out the search, you're going to go and you're going to pull up advanced search. You're going to put in 32208, 32210, 322, whatever zip codes I tell you to pull it up. And then you're going to put in the sale date. The sale date is going to be, your sale date, you want to do at least 1 year apart. So 1 year apart for the sale date. And you also want to put a range. I will give you the range. So sale date, range of price, and also zip codes. And that'll be about it. If you have any questions, leave it in the bottom. Ask me. I definitely answer back. You can also find me on Instagram, homecoach.org, and you can also find me on Facebook, De'Aris Azoff. And of course, like I say, like the YouTube for the VAs, follow the message, and we'll all get paid. See you next time.